Hi, lovelies. Welcome to Peace Diaries. To my returning subscribers, thank you for engaging. Thank you for watching my videos. It means a lot to me, and I'm grateful. Today's video is going to be all about unboxing. Yes, I love unboxing. You see this shirt that I'm putting on right now. Um, in my last video, I said this sweatshirt is I think I gave it 40 over 100 or so. I underestimated how good this shirt is. Man, this shirt is good. This sweatshirt is good. It keeps you warm. I was thinking this fall would pull out, but pull out though. It's the best. And guess what? Guess what? I ordered another one. Because why not if not? We've entered a cold season, so I need to warm up. So without further ado, before I say the without further ado, please, if you are coming across my video for the first time or my channel for the first time, Joe, I'm begging, help me to subscribe. Watch my videos. It means a lot to me. It encourages me. Okay. So without further ado, and without further ado, like all these YouTubers used to say, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be unboxing them one by one. There are two items I ordered. Not two items, I mean. There are two packs here. Let's unpack them. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what is inside. Let me drag this table forward so you guys can. Hope you guys can hear me because sometimes this microphone can be doing somehow. Okay. I'm not done with decorating. I am not done with decorating, so I got some more decorating items. Yeah, pair of socks. This is not how socks used to be. No space for the heel, but I love that it's not kind of thick, but it will do. Indoor socks. Instead they use indoor socks, they do for outside, right? So just indoor socks. I might still be putting it on when I want to put on my sneakers. Yeah, and see, it's elastic. So I got 5 pairs, and then I got this brush your teeth sticker. Wow, it's big. Oh, it looks big. Brush your teeth sticker. So I'm going to paste it on the wall of the um, washing hand basin in the bathroom, so that when my toddler, sees it, she'll be encouraged to brush her teeth. Brushing teeth is a struggle with my madam. I'll always struggle to brush her teeth. She does not always want to brush her teeth. She does not always want to brush. Like today now, I did not brush her teeth because she was not in the mood. In fact, she felt sick yesterday, so I just allowed her today. Tomorrow we'll resume brushing our teeth. But the intention of buying this is to remind her that she needs to be brushing her teeth every day. I know children, when they see picture, they would like to do what is in the picture. So I just got this to encourage her to brush her teeth. When I paste it, I'm going to show you guys. And then I have what do they call it again, sef? Winter trouser. I got one the other day and I loved it. I said no, I'm going to order another one, but in another color. So I did order another one. This is army green, and I'm sure it's going to look nice on me. That one for sure, because I've ordered another one and it kept me warm. It kept me warm. I was like, I was underestimating that the first trouser I bought. Like, let me just buy it and try it. If it keeps me warm, I'll order another. If it does not keep me warm, bye bye for that. But when I wore it, I was warm the whole day. I'm like, okay, let me order for another one. So I ordered this. Then I ordered this one. This is another fleeced. They call it fleeced trouser because it's soft inside. And it's soft inside. So I have this before. I bought one the other time, but in another color. And I loved how free it looks. The trouser is free, it's not tight, very free. So it's easy for me to wear and walk around and makes me warm. And like, okay, this is the second one I am buying. So let's unbox package number 2. In fact, that this trouser, yeah, I don't see this. This trouser is going to fit this my brown thick jacket. So I'm going to match it together, brown plus brown. Go match, but I will now wear something a contrasting color. So let's check the next item. Oh, let's check the next item. I have to make use of that discount card. I make sure I make use of the discount card, but not all the time because these guys their marketing skills is top notch. They'll be giving you discount, and you be buying the you be buying items. But me, I don't buy what I don't need. Once I see that I need something, I make use of the Temu discount card. Otherwise, I look away. I look away. So this is another another package. I've opened it. So let's see what is this. Oh, this is thermal wear. I think they call it insulated thermal wear or something that makes you sweat. Just let me buy it so that, because the way I layer up in this winter, I feel wear like 4 cloths for up, then 2 for down because I want to layer. I'll now wear my jacket on top. So when I came across this, I said, okay, let me buy it so that I'll reduce the number of clothing I wear on myself. Because when I wear all these clothing, because they hard me to walk. I'll be finding it difficult to walk or to maybe run to catch the bus. So you just have to, be on the go. So I bought this. You can see it has this nylon filling, so it will conserve heat. It's going to conserve it. So I'm going to try it on. I'm going to try it on where it will work. I'll try it on and see if it's going to conserve heat. And see if it's going to conserve it. It's going to conserve it, man. I'ma buy another one. But for now, let's be looking at it first. I will try it on and show you guys how it looks. Wow, nylon. I pray it conserves it, so I don't need to be layering up much clothes. I'll just put this on, put my sweatshirt, my trouser, and my jacket. Oh, these are big. These ones are non-slip socks. Non-slip socks. I got it for my toddler. Although the rug we have, the flooring we have is rug, but in the kitchen and the bathroom is tile. So sometimes she slides and fall whenever she's running to the kitchen or the bathroom. So I decided to get this non-slip socks for her. This looks small, but oh, it's stretchy. So that will be a good thing. It's stretchy and it has this, so she won't be able to, she won't slide and fall with this. I love it. And it's thick. It's thick. I love how thick it is. Abi, oh, and they come in different sizes. So see, they come in different sizes. Not of it, they don't have the same size. Why? This white is the longest, and this is the longest. This one is small, but nothing spoil. Nothing spoil. If you no size her, I will keep her for baby number 2. Okay, so let's pack this. I'm happy I got this. At least it's thick. So I can put it on to run around the house and to sleep. We are winter ready. We are winter ready. Okay, let's get this out. Okay, the next item is, oh, my panties. I got on the last one I got. I liked it, so I got more. I don't need to expose my panties here. Duh. Then Right. Oh, bedspread. I got this bedspread for my toddler. She only has one bed sheet. I was like, a whole adult like us, we have like three. And my pikin, my madam has only one that will be turning up and down. We'll put the up down. Next we'll put it down up. And then, no, 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 no. She has to have more than one bed sheet. Although she her first 3 years she was sleeping on our bed. So we didn't think of buying bed sheet. She rarely sleeps on her bed. But now, my daughter is the king of sleep alone. She's the king of sleep alone. She sleeps alone now. I could just tell her, oh yeah, bedtime, time to sleep. You know, sleep. She will now go and put up the lights and come and lie down on her bed. Hey, my pikin they grow. Since don't they come? So I got this. I will change her bed sheet since she has not started sleeping on her bed. Oh, that's all. That's all on our unboxing. So I love this. 10 over 10. In fact, everything that I bought, I'm going to put this on now and show you guys how it looks. Let's get right into trying them on. So guys, let me pick a microphone. This is how it looks. Can you guys see me very well? Can you guys see me very well? This is how it looks. At first, when I put it on, it was I was feeling cold. It was as in it was cooling my body. But it's not bad. It's not bad. It's my perfect size. Large. Size large. It's my perfect size, and it's very thin. So it's good for layering up. I think it's going to do the job. I think it's going to do the job. It has a nylon feeling inside. So I think it's going to do the job. Ah, I'll wear it to work when it's cold, so I'll know how it retains heat. But for now, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, okay, okay. Let's try the next one. Guys, I've tried the trouser. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's just like the first one I bought. It's just like the first one I bought. It's warm, yeah, and then it's flinced, yeah. So I love it. I think this is size 36. The other one I bought was size 34. I wanted to try how 36 is, and this is very free, very very free. I love how it is. Ew, 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 ew. I don't turn. I don't turn model. Let's try the other brown trouser. Let's see how it feels. I love this. I love it. I like buying things that make me comfortable. If I buy once and it's good, I'm gonna buy another one. So that's it. Let's try another one. I want the other one. How does it look? I love it too. It's just like the other color. It's not beige. Like cotton color, but this is brown. And look at the socks. The socks I bought color brown to match. I love the socks too. Is it's just there. Nothing different about the socks. It's just there. I just need something that will cover my leg. But I love the trouser. I love the trouser. It's free. It has a wide what do they call it again? Wide down. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you order clothes online, or when you order clothes online, excuse me, do you go ahead to just put it on and go about your day, or you first of all wash it, you could wash it before you now start putting it on for your day-to-day activities? Let me know in the comment section. What do you do? What do you do? Like for example, this pair of socks, do you wash them before wearing, or you wear them straight from the packet? Let me know in the comment section. Even these panties too, your socks, these clothes, do you wash them or you wear them straight? Let me know in the comment section. We've come to the end of our unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please leave your comments in the comment section. Do well to like, subscribe, share my videos. I have so many videos. I have my unboxing videos. I have my food cargo video. I've done food cargo from Nigeria to UK 2 times. One is available now. The second one, I've scheduled it. You would see it later. I also share my experience, the things I unlearn and relearn while staying in the UK. Those videos are up. Please do well to like, share, watch. Um, yeah, share to your siblings, share to anyone who is planning to come to the UK. This video might help them. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Love you.